Good afternoon. I uploaded a video that's very important for young people and parents to watch. It's about the dangers of drug and alcohol abuse. However, it's more than 10 minutes long and YouTube would not accept it because of the length. So what I've done is I've uploaded it to an alternative web space. I'm going to redirect you to that. I encourage you to go to that site and watch this video. It is located at www.brucespad.com, BRUCESPAD.com, www.brucespad.com/gabctv.html, www.brucespad.com/gabctv.html. Go to that site, watch this video, talk to your kids, keep it safe, and dare to care.